Hi everyone, Frankiem here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two simple fountain fireworks. So the materials should be relatively easy to get, and container-wise you're going to need a pyrotechnic grade cardboard tube for best results. You can use a soda can, but the mixtures will usually react with the can and destroy it very quickly. So the first mixture is a mixture of gunpowder and iron filings. Now, gunpowder is a mixture of elemental carbon, also known as charcoal, potassium nitrate, and sulfur. So what we're going to do for the first mixture is we're going to mix the potassium nitrate, charcoal, and sulfur at the right ratio, and then we're going to add iron filings. The purpose of the iron filings is to be heated by the gunpowder and thrown out of the top by the expanding gas and to create a spark effect. So let's mix the gunpowder portion. We get a spoon. Oop. Okay. Let's add a couple spoonfuls of carbon. Alright, and the ratio here for carbon to potassium nitrate is 1 gram of carbon to 6.47 grams of potassium nitrate. I'll include the ratios in the description if you can't memorize it. Okay. 9.8 times 6.47. Okay. Alright, once you've added the potassium nitrate, I recommend adding like 10 to 15% sulfur powder. The purpose of the sulfur is to create more gas and to stabilize and speed up our reaction here. Now, sulfur reacts violently with carbon and metals, producing more heat to get the reaction going, plus it provides a liquid medium because it melts at 200 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's add the sulfur. Since I want to produce a lot of gas and throw that iron out the top, I'm going to add 15% sulfur. Okay, so you take the total weight of your mixture, 76 grams in this case, multiply that by 0.15, and we're going to need 11.4 grams of sulfur. Okay. Alright, and then, since iron is not reacting very much with our gunpowder here, it's rather being heated and burning when exposed to the atmosphere, our ratio does not really matter very much. Just add more iron for more sparks, less iron for less sparks. So let's just let's dump a few grams in there. Okay, that'll do it. Alright, let's mix this up really well. Now, I know what you may be thinking. The gunpowder is going to make the whole tube blow. Gunpowder is not a high explosive. If you wanted something that went boom, you'd mix potassium chlorate with in organic fuel like lactose and add no reaction moderator. Gunpowder burns surprisingly slow without a container. It's meant to push projectiles out of the end of a tube rather than blow the whole container. Okay, that's mixed pretty well now. Let's funnel this all into a tube. So you can buy these pyrotechnics grade cardboard tubes off of like fireworks vendors. That's where I got these. And I found if you can find the right size wooden dowel, cutting it into sections and putting it into the tube, then hot gluing it there works pretty well. Okay, so there's our end plug. Alright, let's funnel the mixture in. Okay, now you can just use a drill bit to put a nozzle into the put a little nozzle into one of the plugs for the burning iron to come out of. All right, let's hot glue that in there. Okay. Our last step here is to add a fuse. Cut it reasonably long, give myself some time to back away. Yeah, always cut a reasonably long fuse just in case your firework does explode. It's not very likely to do so in this case, but always good to take necessary precautions. Okay, that should give me plenty of time to back up. Alright, let's make our second firework now. Now this next mixture is much more powerful. The reaction is much hotter and much faster than gunpowder. What we're going to, and it's going to be a much more brilliant white rather than orange. What we're going to do is we're going to mix aluminum powder, potassium nitrate, and sulfur. Again, the sulfur is going to react violently with the aluminum and provide a liquid medium to stabilize the reaction. So our ratio of aluminum to potassium nitrate is 1 to 2.22 grams potassium nitrate. So let's mix it. Get another cup. Yeah, this way I don't have to clean out my beakers so often and worry about contaminants when I put acid in them. Okay, let's add some aluminum. A little bit more. Okay, 15.9 grams aluminum. Alright. 9 times 2.22. Two. Okay. So let's add our sulfur now. Again, add the same ratio as of sulfur. Just multiply the total weight of your mixture by 0.15, and you've got the amount of sulfur you need. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's mix this up. Okay, that's mixed pretty well now. Let's glue in the plug. All right. Okay, let's add the nozzle piece. Alright, and lastly, a fuse. Alright, let's label our fireworks now. Let's see, what did I do? Ah, here it is. Oh yes, and I should mention, in our aluminum white spark mixture, the potassium nitrate, potassium and nitrogen do not like to bond all alone. They won't really bond unless there's oxygen added to the compound. So the nitrogen's going to break off as N2 gas, and it's going to push our aluminum out the top along with the sulfur dioxide produced by our sulfur. So let's light these off. Alright, let's ignite our orange spark mixture first. Now this is our less powerful mixture. Pretty cool, isn't it? A bit windy out today, so alright, let's ignite the white spark mixture now. Now expect a much larger, much brighter plume from this one.